Hi everyone. Today we're gonna work with some fresh Prince Island Sound mussels. We're gonna do mussels and white clam sauce. So, just gonna get that pan nice and hot with the olive oil. If it wasn't the feast, if it wasn't Christmas Eve, you could easily use butter, which can give you a different flavor. You're gonna go in with some fresh garlic. Pan's nice and hot, so we're gonna put the mussels right in. You want to watch the flame. If you're at home, you certainly want to be careful of that. As they get nice and hot, we're going to go in with about 2 garlic cloves. Going to bring in some salt, pepper, maybe just a task more olive oil. Mussels are a lot faster than clams. You can actually see them starting to open right up. They hit that heat and they just start steaming away. So when they get the pan a little hotter, when you're at home, you can use a cover. I tend to use another. In restaurants, we tend to use another pan. So we're going to just hit it with some white wine, probably about a half a cup. It's all going to steam away pretty fast. You want to make sure you're tossing your mussels, but be careful. You can use a spoon as well to toss them because you want to get all that rich flavor, the olive oil, the garlic to coat those mussels. So I'm going to put a pan on top just to steam it just for about 30 seconds. Get our plate ready. There you go. It all opened up really nice. You can smell that garlic, the rich flavor and everything. It's really pungent. Gonna just a little fresh parsley, maybe a little more. If you have a little spoon on you, you can taste it. You can just see if you want maybe just a little more salt and pepper. Then I'll hit it just with a lemon wedge, just to zest that flavor up a little bit. So there you go. Careful, plate them right on your platter. Some fresh microgreens, and there you are, fresh steamed mussels.